Hello everyone. Today we're focusing on something super simple, but honestly super important. We're gonna practice slow English conversation with readings and even talking about the weather. And the key thing today is we're gonna repeat everything twice so you can really hear it and feel comfortable saying it. So take your time, don't rush, just listen and repeat with me. My name's Adam, and this is English with Adam. Let's begin. Alright, first points are greetings. They are the first words you say to someone. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Good, take your time. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, how are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Alright, now let's respond. Because conversations does go both ways. I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Not bad. How about you? Not bad. How about you? Yeah, sounds nice and natural, and people say it all the time. Alright, now on to the second part. Let's put it together into a small conversation. I'll say both parts and you just follow along. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Good morning. Good morning. Now you can put them together. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? I am good. Thank you. Or I'm good. Thank you. Alright. Now you can keep on going. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather. This is something people say every day. So let's begin. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny. It is sunny. Or it's sunny. It is hot. It is hot. It is cold. It is cold. It is raining. It is raining. It is cloudy. It is cloudy. Good. Now let's go ahead and combine that into a real conversation. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny. It is sunny. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is hot. It is hot. Or it is raining. It is raining. Alright, now let's go ahead and combine everything together. Just follow along, nice and easy. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny. It is sunny. Then we can also do hi. How are you doing? Hi. How are you doing? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is hot. It is hot. And then we can also do good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? Not bad. How about you? Or I'm doing good. How about you? How is the weather? How is the weather? It is cloudy. It is cloudy. Alright, good job. That's it for today. Nice and slow, simple English, but really powerful. The thing is, when you practice like this, slowly, repeating everything again and again, you start to feel more confident. And that's what really matters. Keep practicing, even if it feels awkward. That's okay. That's totally normal. And yeah, just come back to the video, listen to it again, repeat everything, take your time. And the more you do this, the less you would have to think and translate in your language, and you'll be able to start thinking in English and be able to say it without feeling awkward. Again, thank you for being here with me. This was Adam with English with Adam. I'll see you in the next episode.